Wait there. Have you met Nandita yet? Well, she is the pari of the town. Her friends absolutely love her. But you know why? She knows how to pay. Yup, that's right. You're chilling in your favorite restaurant with her. Nandita is gonna pay. Girls' day out? Duh! Nandita is gonna pay. Broke up with your toxic boyfriend recently? Well, Nandita is your best friend, girl. She has your back. But how? Thank her dad and her credit card. But that's not it. There's another character in the story. Reena. She's always been that quiet girl you find in the corner seat. She knows her deal. She's conscious of where she spends. She's limited friends and even limited expenses. Her hobbies are spending time with books. But let me make it very clear. She ain't your average nerd. She's one of those responsible people who've always been very aware of what they want and how they want it. But what's different about her? She was never into credit cards. So, let's hear out from them. The credit conundrum, a millennial's dilemma.
So today I'm going to talk about why I do not believe in the concept of credit cards. And this is something I also got the suggestions from my family members who faced a lot of problems throughout their earning life while they had credit cards.
Hi everyone, I'm Nandita and today I'm gonna tell you why I have a credit card.
First of all, we all know that credit card runs in the principle of spend now and pay later. And this induces a majority of the people into spending more than how much they can actually earn.
So, I recently graduated from college and I'm working now and I'm earning really well. So, talking about credit cards, I got my credit card at a really young age when I started my degree. My dad wanted me to be financially independent as well. So, now whenever I go out with my friends, I pay most of the bills. And because of that, my credit score goes high.
And another point is that there is the temptation of overspending. So we Gen Zs, we are so much attracted to the instant gratification and we tend to shop impulsively, we tend to buy foods impulsively. So this is leading us to get that dopamine hit in our brain by having that instant gratification of buying all these things.
And as I'm responsible, I pay my credit card bills on time. And this card is helpful when I'm traveling. I travel a lot, so when I'm traveling, I get points, rewards and discounts. Like, who doesn't like discounts? Come on.
Lack of financial literacy. According to the bank rate, 36% of the millennials do not know how the interest rate works on credit cards. Similarly, we do not know how to budget effectively, and at the same time, we do not know how all of the credit system works. So this is one drawback.
So, also I have heard about frauds happening. But you don't have to worry about your money because your bank has your back. Your money will be secured in one or the other way.
And finally, there is the risk of identity theft. With the increasing online transactions and shopping, we are prone to the risk of having our identity stolen by the fraudulent sources, and this can lead to the fraudulent transactions, and this will ruin our credit history, and ultimately this is very bad for our credit score.
I still prefer using credit card because I'm responsible towards it and it is beneficial for my future.
So I still prefer not to use credit card because this is the safest way that anyone can go to deal with life without going to the debt trap.
Please leave a comment below of what do you think about credit cards. And if you like this video, share this with your friends and family.
And if you're smart enough, you know what to do. Subscribe to our channel, Bullsmart Stock Academy. Because Bullsmart says, smart people, smart investment.